Hi, how are you? I am Dr. Burgandi Collins, a chiropractor at Collins Chiropractic in Springfield, Virginia. And today we are talking about cupping. You know what cupping is? Have you seen cupping? Check out your favorite athlete. If you notice his or her back or even their legs, they may have these circles on their back looking like an octopus was sucking on them or something. That is the effects of an amazing technique called cupping. Cupping is amazing. Cupping is a manual therapy technique designed to release tension and knots in muscles. So let's talk about it a little bit more. So if you come into my office and there are a lot of knots in your back or some of the other muscles in your body, maybe your hamstrings or your quads, we can do a technique called cupping. Now you may hear people say cupping can be wet or dry. Doesn't even matter. We'll talk about it. But cupping goes on the section of muscles that are really tight, really restricted, really achy. And the goal is to release that. Now, how does that happen? Well, I'll use a little gun, so to speak. It goes on the top of the cup, and the cup is going to suck or pull your skin. See that? It's turning red already. It looks pretty gross. Some people, they hate the way that looks. But it'll leave some circles on your back. Now, we don't cup hands. This is just for demonstration purposes. We don't cup hands. But the cups that we use here are plastic and hard. Traditionally, they're made out of glass, and the doctor uses fire. I ain't playing with fire up in here. So I use the hard cupping with the suction. It's fantastic. So this is how it works. As you saw, like the circle was developing on my hand, it was turning red. That's attracting and pulling blood to the area. All right. Now, as blood comes to a tight muscle, a muscle that is contracted is tight. A muscle that has not released the contraction is tight. And in that area, metabolic waste is building up. And what it looks like on a cellular level is when the muscle is contracted, they're like fingers that intertwine for the contraction, okay? And when the muscle releases, these fingers or fibers should release. But when you have a knot or tension in the muscle, these fingers or fibers are still interlocked and they won't let go. So the way you can release it is to get oxygen to the area to release it. The way we get oxygen there is with the blood. The blood is going to flow in from the suction, the attraction of the blood, and the oxygen is going to release the tension and allow that muscle to release and be free and tension free and feel good and move when you are ready to move that muscle. Okay. Cup stay on your back for about 10 minutes, and you will have some red marks or brown or purple marks on your back for a few days, but it doesn't hurt. It feels really good. Now, you will feel a pull and a tug sensation while the actual treatment is going on because, I mean, it is pulling and it's sucking up your skin. So you're going to feel something, but it does not hurt at all. And it's a fantastic way to help release the tension in muscles. So if you have tight muscles and you're stretching and you're rolling and they ain't going nowhere, come to my office and let me work on them. Let's try some cupping to see if it can help relieve that tension. And more often than not, it does. It feels really phenomenal. So if you like for me to check out those tight, achy muscles and you want to actually feel better and feel some relief, check out the website, collinschiropractic.co. You can schedule an appointment there or call the office at 703-884-7882 to schedule an appointment with moi. Come get these hands. All right. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something and I hope to see you soon. Have a phenomenal day.